Now, U.S. stocks have rebounded in opening trade, recouping some of the losses from yesterday's bloodbath. The Dow Jones has gained 800 points already after shedding as much as 2,000 points on what's being called Black Monday. Investor hopes were lifted after U.S. President Donald Trump promised to speak with lawmakers about measures to curb the negative impact of this COVID-19 outbreak. Will Denslow has more for us from New York.
Congress has already passed that $8.3 billion spending plan to help curb COVID-19 and help give the economy and the US people a bit of a boost. But what in terms of that exactly means? Well, the president has suggested the possibility of a payroll tax cut. Now, he said, speaking to the press on Monday, that in particular he has in focus those hourly wage workers. Of course, these are the people that are really seen as potentially most vulnerable here in the United States should quarantines become more widespread. They're the ones that potentially aren't protected by healthcare plans in the United States, not the ones that have benefit systems built into their work employment. So they're the ones that the US and the Trump administration say they want to help protect. It's not just the White House that has a potential ability to help give the markets a bit of a boost, and the US people themselves. Looking at the Federal Reserve, they've already cut interest rates over the last few weeks by 0.5 percentage point. The Fed are now meeting next week. Again, that is a scheduled meeting, and many investors are expecting them to cut interest rates yet more. The hope is to give US consumers a boost. Of course, the US consumer accounts for around 2/3 of the US economy. So while COVID-19 might be rattling global markets and having huge impacts up and down the supply chain, the hope here in the United States and from US government officials is that stimulus measures, cutting interest rates, can at least help boost US consumer sentiment.